Euro Swiss daily forecast, January 16, FXEmpire.com. The Euro Swiss pair fell pretty hard on Friday as the euro continues to get pounded. Rumors of a French downgrade plagued the markets for most of the session, and the euro did pay for it. Turns out at the end of the session, S&P did in fact come out and downgrade 9 European countries, and France was one of them. The reaction isn't necessarily on the charts, though, because the downgrade came after 4 o'clock when most brokers are closed in America, and of course they are closed in Europe and Asia for the weekend as well. However, the Swiss National Bank has put in a floor at the 120 level, so it's very difficult to sell this pair at this level, as they will have to intervene if it gets tested. After all, if they do not, the market will just simply plow this pair farther south than ever before, and the Swiss will find themselves with real problems. The bounce that could come from this potential intervention would be very profitable if you could time it correctly. We are looking for supportive candles on the daily chart, and of course an increase in Swiss jawboning against the franc in order to look for some type of trade to the upside, perhaps for about 100 pips or so, maybe two. Either way, it's not a long-term trade, and we wouldn't even bother trying to ride it back up to 124. This is more or less playing the market for fear of central bank interventions. Not necessarily the easiest strategy to employ, but if it becomes obvious, it is a trade that we would take.